Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we have got a new lens for unboxing. It's a Pixel 20 by 40x zoom smartphone lens. It's a variable zoom lens, shoot the bird, HD image with no distortion. On the side they have mentioned some highlights of this lens. On the back side of the box you will find the lens specification and the address of the lens manufacturing company. On the other side, you will find the features of this lens and the packaging information. It's available in two variants, with the tripod and without the tripod. So now, let us unbox it and see all the things one by one. On opening up the box, you will find the user manual. If you are new to the mobile lenses, I will recommend you to kindly go through it. The second thing you will get is your mobile lens tripod. It's made from plastic material. The plus point is that it's foldable and you can carry it easily. You will also get 1/4 inch screwing system in the tripod. The third thing you will find is your mobile lens clip in a nice plastic zipper pouch. It is made from metal and has a nice screwing system. It has also got rubber padding so the mobile does not get any scratches. Then you will get your locking ring and a rubber eyepiece packed in a single plastic zipper bag. You will also see a microfiber cloth within the box. Now let us check out the lens. The lens will come in a nice portable lens bag. They have also provided a metal hook so our journey can be more easy. Now let us remove the lens by unzipping the case. Talking about the build quality, it is purely made from metal frame. So this is our 20 to 40x zoom lens. On both sides you will get your plastic made caps. On the top you will find your focus ring, which can be adjusted from 5 meters to infinity. On the bottom you will find your zooming ring. This is a variable zoom lens. The minimum is 20x and the maximum is 40x zoom. They have also provided a lens hood. So this is what you will get in your 20 to 40x zoom mobile lens box. Now let me show you how to assemble the lens. You need to just follow the simple steps. Take your locking ring and just slide into your lens. Then just tighten up the screw. Then you will have to take your tripod. The tripod has already got the 1/4 inch screwing system. Just need to rotate clockwise and your lens is attached to your tripod. Now let me show you how to attach the mobile to your lens. Just take the metal clip and rotate it clockwise and make sure that it is tightly fitted. Then take your mobile. Make sure that you use your main camera sensor. Just place it in the center of the clip and tighten the screw. And your whole assembly is done. For the first time it could take some time, but after some practice it will not take more than a minute to assemble the lens setup. Now let me show you the samples taken from this lens. I will be trying to capture that AC which is approximately 30 foot far from me. Now let us attach the lens and see. So this is with the 20x. If you get a blur image, you can adjust it by using the focus ring. Now further zooming to 40x, After changing the zoom, you will need to adjust the focus again. I found that while using the 40x, I observed a slight black border, but will have to reconfirm it while taking the outdoor sample videos. I will be making a separate video where I will be providing more sample videos taken in the outdoor conditions. Talking about the output, I found that the lens is providing sharp quality constantly. I also found slight chromatic aberrations. I would also like to inform you that the lens can be used as a telescope lens also. You need to attach the rubber eyepiece to it. Just rotate it clockwise and it will get attached. Friends, if you have any doubt, please do let me know in my comment section so I can test and provide video samples accordingly. If you have liked this video, kindly do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.